Hello everyone, another job order, and this is for a car manufacturing company. This is located in Katorigun, Chiba. So again, this is for a car manufacturing company. The working area is in Katorigun, Chiba, and the working hours is from 8:15 in the morning to 17:15 in the afternoon. The salary will be from 160,000 yen to 240,000 yen, and there will be a possible bonus, but that will be discussed during the interview. And the Japanese ability for this will be conversational. So if you are willing to apply for this job, again, this is for a car manufacturing company, and the job description for this is to check and inspect the product. So again, the job description is checking and inspecting the product. So if you are willing to apply for this job, you can call our office number at 036-206-8058, or you can also attend our job fair interview in our main office at Kanda Station. Just comment down below. We do a job fair interview from Monday to Sunday, so if you want to join, so please contact us. Thank you very much.